started a company in 2015. We means my sister Amrita Sabat and myself. So we started in the Navakalebar Rath Yatra. That was the year when the DKs got new body. So many will be aware of this. So this is our Odisha, eastern state of India. So the first exhibition which we went and subsequent all exhibitions which we went to represent Odisha, we carried the map of India and Odisha also to show where is Odisha because we had to encounter that question. These are this is a famous silver filigree of Odisha. It's called Tarapasti. So a thin wire is taken and brilliant works of arts are made out of this, including earring, pendant, Ganesha. You can see this Konark Sun Temple, UNESCO Heritage, World Heritage Site in Odisha, and of course our Durga Puja pandals and murtis which are made using silver filigree, which unfortunately people do not know. So we took filigree also. We are trying to popularize that. Apart from that, other handicrafts like Sora painting and so many others which I am not showing. And handloom map of India. So any map cannot do justice to India's rich handloom heritage because there is so much. How much can we show in a map? And Odisha is just one of the states of India which even we cannot show everything in one map. This map is done by Kalika, and in this also many of the handlooms of Odisha are missing. But as I told in my report, many of our handlooms are GIs, which is an invaluable treasure of incredible India. So these are the geographical indications. So the geographical indications, people are not aware, they need to be made aware. So our products are there in the GI application register and certificate. Many of our handloom products are there. So what we are trying to do is, we are trying to see how our handloom will be better used and better known. Because many people do not know that so far we have got 17 GIs, out of which 12 are handicrafts. So we are promoting not only these 12, but other handlooms which are yet to get GI. So then in this is a map. We just put all the GI logos out here. And like I said, the one behind me is that this is a Gita Govinda Khandwa, so which Lord Jagannath gifted, and this was composed by Jayadeva. Gita Govinda, Jayadeva wrote inside the temple, and while gifting, he gifted this. So there is so much history behind the handloom. How will people know? So we are doing that through our website, which my sister is managing, and we have taken an information of this GI as well as what we have read. So this is the first the first product of Odisha to get GI tag, which is the postcard handloom. Postcard is a very natural, sustainable fabric which is made from this oil tree. One tree is there from which the bark is taken, and then it's totally eco-friendly material is produced. Then Odisha Ikat is the Odisha Bandha, which is a tie-and dye. So if you can see here on there are on the screen you can see different languages, calligraphy is there, and this is the GI logo. So this is the Bandha work of Odisha, which is very famous and in demand. Then Satavapuas used to take this, that is the merchants of Odisha, which is why we can find all the shapes, and on the material handloom shapes are also woven, and we also have this Boita Bandhana, which will be there in this Kartik month, it is there. So in that also, this is the Pattachitra, the national award-winning artist was in the Miss Damini Swine. So this is the Pattachitra which she is holding. Then there, of course, there is the Pulka, which is much people can't believe that anything like this is possible even, and that we have taken And this is the number 15, which is also Khandwa Patta, which unfortunately people do not know because they confuse it with Patola. They say it is Patola. But no, this is our unique product of Odisha. On this we are copyright. And this Sambal people can identify this chicks. This is called Pasapalli. So it has links many centuries ago when there was chessboard kind of Pasa game used to be there, and it has been taken. So there are stories behind all this and which needs to be told. The communication then dead. So this is Barampur Kodakumbha Patta in Barampur Ganjam district of Odisha. It is done. Then apart from that, there is Konark stone carving. Then this is the Fitri applique work. Then the Pattachitra of Odisha, which is very much linked with Sri Jagannath temple because this is a 40 diya. Many people still do not know that this 40 diya are worshipped in the period before Rath Yatra when the deities are taken sick, and this Pratima, that is the images of Lord, are done on 40 and they are worshipped. So all this has to be shared, and of course Rasgulla. This is Rasgulla is Odisha's dish which people were not aware. So the campaign started 2015 onwards. We are celebrating a Rasgulla. Not only that, this is a Pattachitra which depicts Rasgulla, in which Lord Jagannath is offering Mahalakshmi Rasgulla. And this happens every year on the last day of Rath Yatra, which is called. So we are going to we are putting our Odisha, we are taking all this craft. You can see these are the GI products. So this was the first GI exhibition ever held in India in May 2018. This was at the IITF. We get to meet many people. And we also this is the first GI store at Goa Airport. So there we also sent our Odisha products, which were very much well received. Our Odisha stoles, saris, and we are also present on this GI website. This is an exclusive website called Shopping 24/7. Apart from that, we are an authorized user. So this is the GI certificate which we have got, and we have also put it up on our website. A GI certificate shows that we are an authentic user of the product, means we are sourcing it from that particular geographical area, and we can genuine. Then this is a website, the correct representation we are putting. Now suppose if you go to our website, which is www.utkalamrita.com, there you will find all what we are dealing with, because when we started our company, we were very clear we wanted to sell only Odisha products because people do not know about these. Odisha isn't represented, and unless it is shared, if everyone wants to know and develop our product, it is especially in Southeast Asian nations where we have visited, they have taken our product and made it into their traditional costumes like sarong kabaya. Now this is a Sambalpuri Bandha Sri Ganita sari. Sri Ganita means mathematics, and it has mathematical symbols all over. It was very well received, and it was covered by major news media, including Republic World. So this was thanks to the connection my sister Amrita made with me, Vidya Balan, and which is why she did it. Again, we have to face just like this, like printed. They say that they do not look handloom. They write printed. What is printed? So all this also we try to communicate. It was not just a sale or not just to get money. Money was in the criteria. Main thing is people got to learn about Sambalpuri Bandha. They got to understand that it's a handwork made with much love and care. Then the entire auction, we got it auctioned also because we wanted the name of the weaver to be known. Now she is an IIT purchased this. Dekanshi Mishra. She purchased and she paid 55,000 with the e-auction of the sari. That also our team did, and Amrita shared about this all over. That also you must have seen. We did this e-auction because we really wanted to recognize the real weaver. He's a real weaver of the sari. He had made it for the this Odisha state award. For that he had applied, but he never won an award. But now he won so much of accolade and so much of love, and of course the entire 55,000 amount which we got by the e-auction was we transferred to his account. So the Sonpur was in the news, and for this reason we wanted it to be in the news because many people do not know about Sonpur. They know Sambalpur, but Sonpur is also part of the Sambalpuri GI. So what we are trying is, apart from selling on our website, you can check out and only Odisha products. Then we are promoting only Odisha products. Because even now when I show something like this, if I ask what sari is this, then people won't be able to know. If I show this or if I show this, then how will people know unless they are told? So by a particular border is there, by how many people can identify what is the name of this border, or the Anchal seeing the work, how many can say? So that will come by use. Only after use, the people. So all this we are promoting. This is the Bomkai. So this has also got the GI tag. These are some of the items which we are promoting, and we'll continue to do that, and which is why we want to source directly from the weavers, because there is so much of this mismatch between consumer and the producer, and that linkage, that market linkage needs to be built, and which companies and startups, everyone has to come together to take this forward. Only then we can promote this. More people can learn and use and gift and take help for this, help our economy and for Atmanirbhar.
Thank you. Thank you, Anita. The next speaker should be Mr. Varun Dharni.